MoreAmeerah. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make some DIY fidget toys. I'll be showing you guys how to make a Pop It Fidget, stress ball, infinity cube, and more. On the screen are today's shoutouts. If you guys also would like a shoutout, just subscribe, turn notifications on, and be the first 20 people to comment hashtag notification squad on my video. I'm super excited to show you guys how to make them, so now let's start. For the first fidget toy, we will be making a DIY infinity cube. So for that, you will be needing 8 dice and some tape. The first thing you're going to do is decide which number you want the dice to be facing. So I'm going to choose the number 2. So I'm just going to flip all of the dice to number 2. Then you're going to split them into pairs of 2 and then tape them together. I would prefer using clear tape. Then you'll put these all together and flip them forward like this and tape the 2 bottom dice together. Then flip them forward again and tape the 2 side ones together. So these 2 and these 2. Then flip it over one more time and tape these 2 middle ones. Once you finish that, you're done with your infinity cube. So you're going to gently fold them into like a cube, just like this. And then there you have it. So you can like slide them. This fidget toy is so fun to play with, and it does not involve many supplies. So I would highly recommend this, and it's a 10 out of 10 fidget toy for me. For the next fidget toy, we will be making a DIY Pop It Fidget. For that, you will be needing some cardboard. I prefer like thin cardboard so it's easier to cut through, like from Dunkin' Box, some printer paper, and a stencil to trace with. So first, you're going to decide what you're going to make for your Pop It Fidget. I'm going to be making an avocado, so that's what I'm going to trace on my cardboard. And once you finish, you're going to set this aside for now. And then take your like printer paper and your stencil. I'm using like from a little toy cup. And then what you're going to do is basically trace your stencil on your paper. Now what I'm going to do is color it brown because that's the color of an avocado seed. And then you will just cut your circle out. Next, you will take some tape and pretty much laminate your circle. And then you're going to do that on the other side. Just like that, and then just cut off the excess carefully. Once you finish laminating, you will just cut a slit halfway into your circle. Then you will take one of the half and fold it on top of the other one so it overlaps, just like this. And then tape that part. It should be sort of like a cone shape. Now we will bring in the avocado and trace the seed onto it. Then you're going to cut out the avocado and the seed. To make it easier to cut out the seed, what you can do is like bend your cardboard and like cut a tiny slit. From there you can cut out your circle. Also, the hole doesn't have to be perfect, just the circle has to be big enough to cover the hole. Now you can start decorating the cardboard part. So of course, since I'm making an avocado, I'm going to be using green and brown markers. Here's how mine turned out once I was finished coloring it. I think it turned out a little bit too dark, but it's okay because I still think it looks really cute. And now you're going to take your seed and cover it up over the hole and put it over the hole so it can cover it. And then just tape the seed to the avocado. So I put 4 pieces of tape on the back of mine, so I think that should be pretty good. And now once you finish taping the back, just tape the front as well. And once you finish doing that, you have your very own DIY Pop It Fidget. So here's how mine looks. It looks so cute. And now you can pop your fidget back and forth all day long because it feels so amazing and you just can't put this fidget down. I would definitely recommend this fidget toy. For the next fidget toy, we will be making a DIY tangle. So for that, you will be needing a rubber band and some beads of your choice. First, you're going to take a rubber band and some scissors and pretty much just cut it. Just like that, so it's sort of like a string. Then you will tie a knot at one of the ends, right here. And make sure to leave one end without a knot so you can put on your beads. So now you're going to take your rubber band string and carefully put on your beads right onto it. Also, just make sure to leave just a little bit of room so you can also just like slide the beads back and forth just like that. And then once you're finished, you are just going to tie a knot at the end. You may want to do a double knot just in case like the beads fall off because it may be too thin. And after that, you are done with your DIY Tangle Fidget. For the last fidget toy, we will be making a DIY stress ball. So for that, you'll be needing some rice or beans and a balloon. So first, to make it easier to put the rice into the balloon, you will need like a funnel. So to make that, you can use a plastic water bottle and some scissors. So first, you will cut off like the top part, sort of like a cone shape, and cut that off. To make it easier to cut, you can sort of like flatten it a little bit. And you can remove the cap. Here you have your very own funnel. I would also suggest keeping this bottom part because this can be easier to hold the funnel and like put the balloon on it. Now that you have your funnel, you can take your balloon and put it right over the drinking part. Just like that. And now put it in the bottom part of the water bottle. Next, just take your rice or beans and cut it open. And carefully pour the rice right into your funnel. And once your balloon is full with rice, just take it out and gently remove it from the cap, from the funnel, and then tie your balloon. Once you finish tying, you have your very own DIY stress ball. Look at how cool it looks. And what I love the most about this fidget toy is when you press like in the middle, you can like see all of the rice grains and it just looks so weird. It's like the balloon has a bunch of hairs or something. It massages your hands so well. It feels so amazing. I would definitely recommend this DIY fidget toy. And yeah guys, that was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below which one was your favorite fidget toy out of all of these. I think mine is probably this DIY Pop It Avocado. Because just look how cute it looks. And it's just so fun to play with. I literally just can't put this fidget down. Comment down below if you want me to do more of these fidget toys. And like, subscribe if you want to. Bye!